Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how to reset your MacBook Air M2. First, backup your important files using iCloud or external drive like hard drive or SSD because resetting will erase everything on your laptop. So to do that, you can simply open your settings, or if you don't find your settings, you can press Command plus space and write here settings on the spotlight search and find system settings here. Now you can click on the Apple icon at the top of your page and you can simply choose restart over here, or otherwise you can simply scroll down to your general option and scroll down and see a option called reset, and here is the option called erase all content and settings. Simply click on it and you will be asked to confirm your identity. Once you do that, select disk utility and erase your main disk, then exit disk utility and choose reinstall macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset after that, and that's it guys. Your MacBook Air M2 will now have a fresh look and ready to set up again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.